Located in the Anjian city, the world's largest manufacturing base of electric kettle, Echo-Sutai Electrical Appliance Co., established in 2014, specializes in developing and producing small home appliances, including electric kettle, rice cooker, food chopper, blender, air fryer, toaster oven, etc. Our factory covers 20,000 square meters. It owns 8 modern production lines, over 10 plastic injection machines, and more than 15 hardware machines, with an annual output of more than 5 million sets of electric kettle. As an original manufacturer of kitchen appliances, Sutai Company has a strong R&D team. The scope of business consists of designing, molding, cutting raw material, welding, stamping, flash, turning of pot mount, punching, polishing, make a water hole, water mark, break the spout, welding pot pan, cleaning, testing, brazing, assembling and testing, strictly under ISO 9001 and 2008 quality management system. We offer choices of material for OEM orders. Customers can choose stainless steel 201, 304, 316. Our controllers are from famous brands including Strix, Jiatai, Fada, Huirong, Leifan, and so on, which ensure excellent quality products. Sutai Company has its own testing lab, equipped with aging test machines, salt spray test machines, and other advanced testing machines. All our products have been demandingly inspected under a QL before leaving the factory, complying with CCC, CB, CE, RoHS, LSGB, GS, UL, ETL, SOSO, COC, and other certificates and standards. Our products have been exported to more than 80 countries and regions, such as Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, South America, Europe, and Australia, etc. We are able to offer OEM, ODM service, and SKD, CKD loading are available. Our ambition is to dedicate it to bring Sutai products to every kitchen worldwide.